Hello everybody, I'm so excited. Today I have a giveaway for you. I am just feeling very generous. And so today, in celebration of a video that I just did over on a really neat page called How Does She? Okay, they run the coolest blog ever, and they have a business page. So I was invited to come on there and to share a really neat video today. Hi, thanks for joining. Somebody's here. I can't see who it is though, so type below so I can see your name. I'm gonna do a quick 3D foundation demo for you guys this morning, and for one person who shares this video, I will enter you to win a starter set, okay? A HAC, it comes with like 4 singles, a brush, and a sponge. Okay, so it's like $100 value. So all you gotta do, guys, is like, comment, and share. Good morning, Crystal. So I just did an eyebrow lesson over on How Does She's page. And so my makeup is all done, but I wanted to just quickly come on and share with you guys a quick little 3D foundation demo. You guys, I was so nervous to do that video because there's like 2 million people. There's 2 million people in there, and I totally freaked out. All right, so makeup clean. If you guys want the links to these makeup wipes, I'm a huge fan. Okay, so remember, if you would like to win this, if you would like to win a starter kit, just go ahead and like, comment, and share. So I'm gonna just quickly moisturize. I love those wipes because a lot of times makeup wipes like irritate people's skin, and these ones don't. I have really sensitive skin, so I love that they're really, really yummy for your skin. They're a nice high quality product. They don't have a lot of yucky stuff in them, and right now I'm moisturizing with Milk Moisturizer. Beth, Summer, Crystal, thank you so much for being here. By the way, Crystal, thanks for participating in our really, really fun class next week. She's going to be co-hosting a class, and I've got to get more info out on that to all those ladies today. So first thing I'm going to do, guys, is I cleaned my face, I hydrated my face. Okay, I'm just gonna really quick clean the makeup off of this brush because I'm super acne prone, and I always want to make sure that I am not putting like yesterday's germs onto today's face. You know what I mean? That's kind of gross. Monica, thanks for being here. Hey, if you guys share, if you want to win the starter pack, makeup pack, just go ahead and like, comment, and share, and then type shared below so that I can see that you shared. Okay, so and that's how I'll go back and pick a winner. So first thing I'm going to do, guys, is tip number 1, do your other makeup first. Do your eye makeup first. Do your brows first if you want. I love saving foundation for last because a lot of times eyeshadow can make a big mess underneath your eye, especially if you're doing like a smoky eye or something. And so do all your other makeup first on the days that you're planning on wearing other makeup. Now I'm going to start with this light color. Now this is 3D foundation, guys. This is not traditional foundation. The point of this is to brighten areas that we want to brighten and give shadow and definition to areas that we want to define our features, okay? So if you want to try this product, you guys, all you need to do is send me a quick message and I can color match you, because you can't just go buying 3D foundation willy-nilly all by yourself. That would just be reckless and irresponsible. You for sure wouldn't know which right colors to pick. You gotta get matched by somebody who's been trained, who's an artist with the company, okay? So I have been with the company since day 1 of their artist program, okay? And I can definitely make sure that you get the right products. So I have the lighter color here. I actually went in with a bit of a darker shade, so I did that one underneath my eye. I did this one at pretty much everywhere else, and I like the full coverage look, which is why I kind of put that everywhere. Most people just leave these areas that I'm putting the brown shadow foundation empty, And you can see on my forehead, I didn't put any highlight yellow makeup up there. And so I'm gonna use this just to define out my features, guys. This, seriously, if I was doing this with traditional makeup, this would take a lot of time, it would cost a lot of money, it would take a lot of skill, and I love that this makeup kind of gives people the ability to have the look of, I just got my makeup done by a makeup artist, right? My face is chiseled out, my features are beautiful and contoured, but it's just one layer of makeup, you guys. Look at my nose. My nose looks narrow. My cheekbones are lifted and defined, okay? I have beautiful coverage. It looks like a second skin. The second thing I want to do, guys, is I'm going to, where's my towel? Here it is. I'm just going to clean off with my favorite brush. You guys, this is my favorite product. This is legit. I don't even care. Oh my gosh, I have the hiccups. Okay, wait. No, I'm good. Okay, I don't even care what makeup you like to use. That brush cleaner is everything. It gets even the most stubborn makeup off our brushes. And guys, if you are not cleaning your brushes, it's really, really, really bad for your skin. It can age your skin. This is bronzer, guys. I'm just gonna quick dusting bronzer. Oh, I love this bronzer. It's everything. You guys, it's the perfect amount of warmth without being orange, and that's super important. Do not use bronzer with shimmer in it. Bad mistake. You're not supposed to look like a disco ball. You're supposed to look like a tan, glorious goddess, okay? Choose a bronzer without shimmer in it, and that's not orange. No disco balls, no Oompa Loompas, as a general rule, okay? So, let's do blush next. This is going to be part of your prize for those of you who share. If you share, guys, don't forget to type shared below so that I can pick a winner from those who type shared. Okay, so we did our highlight, we did our contour. I slipped in a little bronzer there because I want to warm up my complexion. And I'm going to take my B squared brush and I'm just going to go ahead. I'm actually going to grab two different colors, this little peachy color and then this more pink color, because I kind of like mixing colors and it's just right there in my compact, so why not? And the blush, guys, it goes on the fleshy part of your cheek and just slightly up like this. And you can even take leftover, dab it on your eyes for just a little extra pop of color. I'm going to take my blending sponge, guys. This is called the Perfector sponge. Just make sure that's blended in all nice. And then the last step, guys, and you'll get this if you win the deal. It's right here. Hold on a second. You guys, this is a new illuminator. I'm so excited about it. It's right here. It's kind of pink and sparkly. It's called Dream. And they launched it at our company's conference that shared its namesake, Dream, just last month. So it's really, really fun. It's really pretty. You can use illuminator. You can put it on your lips like a lip gloss, like a little frosty lip gloss. I'm obviously using it the way that it's really intended to be used primarily, which is to give that candlelit dewy glow everywhere on your face. So let me just touch up my nose there. Isn't that amazing? So normal foundation, guys, your face will look very, very flat. It will look dull. It will age you. You would normally have to come in with a million different products to chisel out your features, highlight under here, and before you know it, you've got like 6 different layers of makeup. You've spent $400 and you're late for carpool because you spent way too much time on your makeup, right? So I love that this is just so quick and so flawless and so beautiful and so easy. The final step, guys, just a little setting spray. This one has SPF in it, which I highly, highly, highly recommend. And when you apply setting spray, guys, don't just light dust it and kind of, okay, I'm done. No, it needs to be like a lot, okay? I like to kind of look up and let the spray fall on my face so I'm not spraying myself in the face because I'm like, right? And I usually mess up my own makeup, so here we go. I just did 4 spritzes, and these spritzes, guys, they're very generous. You can see my face looks very wet. That's the whole point. It's supposed to look very wet, okay? It's supposed to look very wet. Now I'm gonna let this dry just slightly, and I'm gonna go in just to make sure that I could totally run out the door like this, but I like kind of using a little setting powder just under my eyes, around my nose. I tend to get a little oily around my nose and right here in between my brows. Maybe a tad on my chin. That's it. I want to keep that dewy glow everywhere else, but, oh, I thought Hazel was walking in. She hasn't made an appearance in any of my videos this morning. What's going on? She must be super into her show that she's watching downstairs. I gotta run right now, guys. It's dance class time for Hazel. It's her first day. She doesn't even know that she's going to dance class yet. I didn't want to tell her. Oh, thank you for sharing, Michelle. I appreciate that. Yay, you are entered to win the 3D foundation brush and sponge. Hallelujah. That's going to be really fun. Thanks again for sharing, Michelle. I will watch and see if anybody else, who else comes on here and shares. Can't wait to give away one of those things. I'm going to go take Hazel to dance, surprise her. I knew if I told her earlier this morning, she would be asking me, is it time to go to dance yet? Is it time to go to dance yet? And I'm just like, lady, I only got so much brain power. Okay. Anyway, hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for joining. Thanks for popping on. I'm so glad that you're here. Bye for now.